The other day I almost gave up halfway through making dinner, not because the recipe was hard, but because my hands were tired, the pot was too heavy, and the kitchen just felt like too much work. And that's when it hit me. It's not cooking that becomes difficult as we get older. It's the tools. Most of us don't stop cooking because we don't love it. We stop because the kitchen slowly starts working against us. Slippery bowls, heavy pots, tiny tools that don't want to cooperate. So today, I want to show you simple kitchen tools and gadgets that made my cooking easier, safer, and a whole lot less exhausting. Grab a cup of coffee, pull up a chair, and let's make the kitchen feel friendly again. Number 1. Electric jar and can opener. Now you'll have to bear with me here because I'm starting with the most obvious one of all, the electric jar and can opener. And yes, there's a reason for that. Because at some point we've all been there, standing in the kitchen, staring at a stubborn jar lid, thinking, well, I guess I'm not eating today. You twist, you bang it on the counter, you wrap it in a towel like it's a newborn baby. And somehow, the jar still wins. That's exactly why seniors everywhere swear by electric jar and can openers. This little machine is pure freedom. You place the jar or can, press a button, and step back like a boss while it does all the hard work. No squeezing, no wrist pain, no come here and help me moments that quietly chip away at independence. One older gentleman said buying one made him feel like he got his strength back without needing to go to the gym. Another woman joked that her opener works harder than her ex ever did. And honestly, fair. But it's not just about convenience. It's about safety. Twisting metal lids and forcing cans open is one of the easiest ways seniors end up with small but painful injuries. Slips happen. Knuckles meet sharp edges. Suddenly, you're bleeding over your tuna salad. With an electric opener, everything is smooth, controlled, and steady. It's especially helpful for anyone dealing with arthritis, tremors, neuropathy, or just plain tired hands. And the best part? You don't feel old using it. You feel smart. If there's one tool I'd put at the top of every senior kitchen, this is it. No drama, no strain, just open and enjoy. 2. Adjustable height cutting board with non-slip feet. Now, let's talk about something nobody thinks about until their back starts complaining. Cutting boards. Regular cutting boards slide. They wobble. They shift at the worst possible moment, like they're testing your reflexes. And when your hands aren't as steady as they used to be, that's not just annoying, that's risky. An adjustable height cutting board with non-slip feet is a quiet little lifesaver. First, it stays put. No sliding across the counter like it's on vacation. You can chop onions, slice tomatoes, or cut soft foods without bracing the board with one hand and cutting with the other. That alone makes cooking safer and easier. Second, the height matters more than people realize. When the board is at a comfortable level, you don't have to hunch over like you're inspecting ants. Your back stays happier, your shoulders don't scream at you. And suddenly, chopping vegetables doesn't feel like a workout. One senior shared that after switching boards, she could prep meals again without needing to sit down halfway through. That's huge. That's independence staying alive. Some boards even come with small raised edges that catch juices so they don't run all over the counter, which means less mess and fewer slippery surfaces. Because nobody wants to ice skate on chicken juice. This is one of those upgrades you don't brag about, but once you use it, you'll never go back. 3. Talk to Cook smart speaker or timer system. Let me tell you, once you cook with a smart speaker or voice-activated timer, it's really hard to go back. Because here's the reality. When you're cooking, your hands are usually messy, wet, greasy, or holding something hot. That's exactly when you don't want to touch buttons, scroll on phones, or squint at tiny timer screens. With a Talk to Cook system, you just say it out loud. Set a timer for 20 minutes. What temperature does chicken bake at? How many tablespoons are in a quarter cup? And boom. It answers you like a polite kitchen assistant who never gets tired of your questions. Seniors absolutely love this because it reduces mental load. You don't have to remember everything. You don't have to rush to the stove clock. You don't have to panic when you forget how long the potatoes have been boiling. One older gentleman shared that he used to burn food constantly because he'd walk away and forget the timer. Now he says his talking kitchen buddy nags him just enough to save dinner. And honestly, we all need a gentle nag sometimes. The other hidden benefit? Safety. No running across the kitchen with hot pots just to check the time. No leaning over the stove to squint at tiny numbers. You stay where you are, stay calm, and stay focused. Plus, let's be real. It makes cooking more fun. You can play music while chopping, listen to the news while stirring. Suddenly the kitchen feels lively again instead of quiet and lonely. 4. Rechargeable handheld food chopper. Now this one, seniors talk about this gadget like it's magic. If chopping onions, garlic, nuts, or veggies has become slow, painful, or exhausting, a rechargeable handheld food chopper changes everything. You press a button and it does the work. No hard squeezing, no repetitive wrist motion, no sore fingers. Think about how many small chopping tasks happen every day. Garlic for soup, onions for eggs, veggies for stir-fry. All those tiny cuts add up, and they wear out aging hands fast. With this tool, you drop the food in, tap the button, and in seconds, everything is evenly chopped. One woman said it made her cry the first time she used it. Not because of onions, but because she realized she could still cook her favorite recipes without pain. Another senior joked that it works faster than his grandkids and doesn't complain. That's high praise. It's also safer. Less knife handling means fewer accidents. Less rushing means better control. You don't need to grip tightly or rush through prep just to get it over with. And because it's rechargeable, you don't deal with cords dragging across counters. You just pick it up, use it, rinse it, and go on with your day. This is one of those tools that quietly brings joy back into meal prep, especially for seniors who stopped cooking certain foods because chopping became too much. 5. Suction base bowls and plates. Let's be honest for a moment. Hands get shaky, grip isn't what it used to be, and sometimes plates decide to slide like they're late for an appointment. That's where suction base bowls and plates step in like little kitchen superheroes. These dishes stick to the counter or table with a gentle suction seal. You set them down, press lightly, and boom, they're not going anywhere. No more chasing a bowl across the counter while stirring oatmeal. No more plates shifting when you're trying to cut soft foods. No more food ending up on your shirt instead of your fork. Seniors absolutely love these because they bring back control. One woman shared that she stopped eating soup at home because she was tired of spilling. After switching to suction bowls, she said she finally enjoyed her meals again, without stress. Another gentleman joked that his bowl used to moonwalk across the table. Now it behaves, but beyond humor, there's safety here. Less sliding means fewer sudden movements, fewer spills, fewer hot food accidents, and more confidence eating independently. When something this small makes daily meals easier, it's not just a bowl, it's dignity on a plate. And if you're watching this thinking, I love these tools, but I still don't want to figure out meals every day, I hear you. That's why I personally use a simple 4-week meal plan with easy grocery lists. It works with these tools, not against them. I've left the link in the pinned comment if you want to take a look. 6. Magnetic measuring spoons and nesting cups. Now let's talk about the kitchen drawer black hole. You open it, you search, you dig. Somehow there's 1 spoon left and 6 missing. Where did they go? Nobody knows. It's a mystery older than time. Magnetic measuring spoons and nesting cups fix this nonsense beautifully. These sets snap together with magnets and stay neatly stacked. No more rattling, no more disappearing pieces. You pull one off with one hand, and the rest stay together like loyal friends. Seniors love these because they're easier to manage when hand strength isn't what it used to be. You're not fighting tangled rings or trying to pry pieces apart. It's smooth, simple, and satisfying. And many of these sets have bold, easy-to-read markings, which is a blessing when tiny numbers start playing hide-and-seek with your eyesight. One senior shared that, after switching, she stopped guessing measurements and started enjoying baking again. Her cookies improved, her confidence improved. Everyone won. It's one of those upgrades that quietly makes cooking feel organized again. And that's a beautiful feeling. 7. Stove knob safety covers. Let's talk about something nobody wants to admit, but everyone worries about. Did I turn the stove off? You leave the kitchen, you sit down. And suddenly that thought pops into your head like a horror movie jump scare. Stove knob safety covers are small, simple plastic covers that snap over your burner knobs. They prevent accidental turning and make it much harder to bump the stove on by mistake. Seniors love these because memory isn't what it used to be. And that's okay. It's normal. What matters is protecting yourself and your home. One senior shared that after installing these, she stopped doing the 3 trips back to the kitchen routine just to double-check the stove. That alone lowered her stress levels. They're also great if you have pets that like to jump on counters or curious grandkids who love turning things. Suddenly, the stove becomes less of a danger zone. And here's the best part, you don't have to think about them. They just quietly sit there doing their job, like a tiny kitchen security guard that never takes a break. This isn't about fear, it's about confidence. It's about cooking without anxiety hanging over your head. It's about being able to relax after dinner instead of worrying. 8. Clip-on pot strainer. Now this gadget gets standing ovations in senior cooking forums. If you've ever tried lifting a heavy pot full of boiling pasta and pouring it into a giant colander, you know how stressful that moment is. Hot water, heavy weight, slippery handles. It's a recipe for disaster. A clip-on pot strainer solves this by attaching directly to the pot. You tilt the pot slightly, the water drains out, and the food stays inside. No lifting into another container, no balancing acts, no splashes on your arm that make you question your life choices. Seniors love this because it reduces strain on wrists and shoulders. One man said he stopped making spaghetti for years because draining it scared him. After buying this, pasta night returned to his house. Another woman joked that her kitchen floor finally stopped getting pasta soup once she started using one. It's safer, it's easier, it's faster, and it makes one of the most common cooking tasks feel manageable again. 9. Good grip silicone utensils. Now, let's be honest for a second. Hands change with age, grip strength fades, fingers stiffen, and suddenly the spoon you've used for 30 years starts slipping like it's got places to be. That's where good grip silicone utensils come in. These aren't your skinny, slippery metal spoons that require a death grip. These have thick, cushioned handles that sit comfortably in your hand. You don't have to squeeze, you don't have to strain, you just hold, and it works. Seniors constantly mention how much easier stirring, flipping, and serving become when utensils actually stay in your hand. One man joked that his old spatula dove into the soup more times than a swimmer at the Olympics. After switching? No more spoon rescues. Silicone also protects your cookware. No scratching, no scraping noises that make you cringe. And they're heat resistant, so you're not melting plastic into your dinner. But here's the emotional part people don't talk about enough. When tools stop fighting you, cooking becomes enjoyable again. You stop feeling clumsy. You stop feeling frustrated. You feel capable. That matters. A lot. Because cooking isn't just about food. It's about routine. It's about purpose. It's about still being able to take care of yourself, and maybe even spoil someone else with a good meal. 10. Anti-fatigue kitchen floor mat. Your feet will write you a thank you note. Let me say this plainly. Standing on a hard kitchen floor for any length of time is a quiet form of torture once you've lived a few decades. Cooking might only take 20 or 30 minutes, but during that time, Your feet, knees, hips, and lower back are all having a private meeting about how unhappy they are. And the thing is, many seniors stop cooking not because they hate it, but because their body punishes them for it afterward. That's where an anti-fatigue kitchen mat changes everything. The moment you step onto one, you feel it. There's a little give, a little bounce. Your weight spreads out instead of slamming straight into your joints. Suddenly, standing at the stove doesn't feel like you're bracing for impact. Many seniors say that this mat lets them cook longer without needing to sit down halfway through. One woman joked that before she got hers, her feet would file a formal complaint every time she made dinner. Now, peace treaty signed. It also reduces slipping, especially important when floors get wet. And because you're more comfortable, you move slower and more deliberately. That alone prevents accidents. It's not just a mat. It's permission to stay in the kitchen a little longer without paying for it later. 11. Adjustable rolling cart with locking wheels. Your kitchen's new best friend. Now this one feels like cheating in the best way. An adjustable rolling cart with locking wheels is basically an extra set of hands that never gets tired. Seniors absolutely love these because they eliminate carrying. And carrying is where a lot of strain, spills, and near misses happen. Instead of lifting heavy pots, stacks of plates, or grocery bags, you place them on the cart and roll. Need to prep vegetables? Pull the cart up next to you. Serving food? Roll it to the table. Cleaning up? Load it once and go. And the locking wheels matter. When they're locked, the cart stays put. No drifting, no wobbling, no surprises. One senior called hers, "my kitchen assistant who doesn't talk back." Another joked it became her official snack delivery vehicle during movie night. And honestly, that's just smart living. This tool saves your back, your shoulders, and your energy. And it gives you flexibility. You don't have to do everything in one spot anymore. The kitchen comes to you. For seniors living alone, especially, this is a quiet game changer. 12. Long-handled grabber tool. Most people think grabber tools are just for picking up trash or socks. That's a tragedy, because in the kitchen, this thing is pure gold. A long-handled grabber lets you reach high shelves without climbing, pick up dropped utensils without bending, pull items from the back of the fridge without stretching your shoulder like you're training for the Olympics. Seniors love this tool because it prevents exactly the kind of movements that lead to falls and injuries, bending quickly, twisting awkwardly, or standing on tiptoes just for a second. One man shared that before he got one, he'd ignore items that fell on the floor because it hurt too much to bend. Now he calls his grabber "my dignity stick." Hard to argue with that. Some even use grabbers with silicone tips to lift pot lids or steady hot items. Carefully, of course, but again, it's about minimizing risk. This tool quietly protects your independence. It lets you keep doing things yourself without asking for help every time something slips or falls. All right, friend, if there's one thing I hope you take away from today, it's this. Cooking doesn't have to feel hard or risky as we get older. Sometimes it's not about doing less. It's about using better tools. Even one or two of these can make a real difference. Less strain, more comfort, and a lot more confidence in the kitchen. If this video helped you, give it a like so it can reach others who need it too. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical tips to make everyday life easier. Now tell me, which kitchen tool has made the biggest difference for you? I'd love to hear it.